Assist will explain the definition and concept regarding human resource management or payroll cycle. The definition of payroll cycle is the recurring set of business activities and data processing operation associated with effectively managing the employee workforce. There are 6 activities in payroll cycle. First, recruiting and hiring new employees. The document needed is application form. Second, training. The document needed is material learning. Third, job assignment. The document needed is job description. Fourth, compensation. The document needed is timesheet document. Fifth is performance evaluation. The document needed is performance review documents. And sixth, discharge of employees due to voluntary or involuntary termination. And the document needed is termination letter. Okay everyone, I think that's all for HRM cycle. We hope you understand all of the lesson in this video. See you next time. Keep it up and happy learning.
Yay!